Welcome guys. In this video we are going to discuss how to solve installation problem of MingW for C programming. Most of the time students are giving complaints that they are not able to compile C program in Visual Studio Code, or they are not going to use MingW properly because it is not installing. How to solve this problem? Some students are getting problems when they are compiling and it gives fatal error, unable to find the file. How to solve this problem? In this video we are going to see how to uninstall MingW and reinstall to solve the problem. So please watch this video till the end so that you can find out the solution how to solve installation problem of MingW for C programming. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and give your like and share with your friends. So let us jump into the actual video where we are going to discuss how to solve the problem of installation of MingW. Let's go to the actual problem. Now you can see my screen here. Now let me show you the problem first. And now here I am opening Visual Studio Code, which is already installed. And now here I am going to show you what is the problem. Now here you can see I have created one folder C test, and this is a simple program. Include the file printf hello and return 0. Now here, if you can see here, already I have compiled, but I will show you compilation one more time. Just open the terminal. If your terminal is not open, you can open from the top menu, and here you can give the command to compile the file gcc space your actual file name, which is now p11.c. And if you compile it, you can see the error gcc.exe error, create process, no such file or directory. Now this error indicates that MingW is not installed properly and all paths are not set. Now, how to overcome this problem? For this purpose, let us go into the uninstall process. Now, to solve this problem, we are going to follow two steps. Step number one, uninstall everything from MingW. Step number two, install it again. And step number three, set the path environment variable. Now let us go to the step number one. I will close this Visual Studio Code. Now to uninstall your MingW, just go to the C drive where it is installed. If your drive is different, go to your own drive. Now here you can see MingW. Click here, go inside the bin and find out the installation. Now here you can see the file mingw-get.exe. Just click on it. Now you will get this screen in front of you. Now here you can see how many files are installed and not. Now just scroll down this. Now here this is installed. Click on this and mark for removal. Same thing, find out whatever files installed here. We have to uninstall all of them. Click here, mark for removal. Click here, mark for removal. This is one more, mark for removal. You have to select all the files those are installed on your PC. After selection, you will get a cross mark over here, a red cross. you have to select every file which is already installed. If you miss any file, there is a possibility of problem. So select every file which is already installed and mark it for removal. Okay, now I have selected all the files. Just cross check whether any file is left. Yes, here is one more left. MingW, yes, mark for removal. Okay. Now after selecting all the files for removal, just click on installation menu and click on apply changes. Okay. Now this means all files are removed. Close it. Okay. Now you can check in a bin, only one file is there and remaining all files are deleted. Now just close this. Now one more thing that we have to do is we have to remove the path that we have set. So click on properties, just scroll down and search for advanced system settings, and here you can see environment variables. And now click on a path. Now here you can see two types of paths. I will explain it later on. Now I have not added any path here. So close it. Now go to the path. Click on edit. Now here, these are the two paths that I have added. So just delete them. Now these paths I have added manually. Click here and click here. Okay. Now here you can type MING installation manager app. Now these are, now here you can see you can right click here and click on open file location. You can delete this file also. Okay. Now we have removed all the files. Now again, if you can see here, Ming. Now Ming installer. Now this is installation file, so this is not a problem. So just now what, close all the windows, and now the step number 2 is reinstall MingW. Now to reinstall it, just ensure your net connection is on. Go to the MingW folder, go to the bin, and again now click here. Now just click on basic setup and just click here. Select only two files, MingW32 base, and for C and C++ programs, you can select this one, MingW32 GCC and G++. Okay. Now remaining files are not required. If you want, you can install them if you require. If you don't install, just ignore them. After selecting these two files, click on installation and click on apply changes. Once again, click on apply. And now it will take some time, around 10 minutes, depending on your internet speed. Just hold on and install all the files. Now, while it installs all the files, I will just pause the video. If there is no error while installation, you just select this. Now, when all installation is done, you will get this window. Just close it, close this one. Now your installation is done. So what I have done, I have downloaded new uh, MingW, and here you can see you have to download this one, MingW and minimalist GNU for Windows. Now this is what you have to download. Now you can get it from SourceForge, download the file and install it. Now I have installed. The next step that we have to do is we have to set the path. Now to set the path, first check where it is installed. Now you can see here MINGW, that is the folder where everything is installed. Inside bin, now here all files are installed. Now I have to copy this path C:* mingw/bin, and what I have to do is I have to put it in environment variables. Now to set environment variables, go to your this PC properties and select advanced settings, and here you can see environment variables. Now just click on environment variables. Now here you will get two types of environment variables. Now user variables and system variables. Now on one system you can have multiple users. If you set this path in user variables, it will be useful only for the current user. And if you set the path in system variables, it will be useful for all users on this system. So what I will do, I will select path in system variables, click on edit, and here click on new and just paste the path that we have copied. Click on OK, click on OK and OK. Now all three steps are done. Now to check whether it is working or not, open a command prompt. Now you can give the command gcc --version and press the enter. Now if it is installed successfully, you will get this information which version you have installed everything. Okay, so there is no error. That means all GCC package is installed for C programming and C++ programming. Okay, now let us check by compiling in VS Code. Now let me open the VS Code again. This is Visual Studio Code, and now this is the same file. Now I will go to the terminal. Now terminal is blank. You can clear it if required. Now I will give the command again, gcc, and just now there are so many different options. Now you can say output file which you want to execute. Here I am just saying output file P, and the file to compile is p11.c. Just press the enter. Okay. Now it is showing a warning that int has to be declared, and by default it is integer. So it is just a warning, so you don't need to worry about it. Now to execute the file, now you can go inside a folder and check whether file is created or not. Now here users, inside it asser, and here This is your folder. Now here you can see p.exe file is created. Now this is because in Visual Studio Code terminal, we have given this file p. Okay. Now here you can see the output. Hello. Now I have to just give dot slash the file name p. Okay. Now p.exe file will automatically execute, and you can see the output here. Now we have solved our problem of GCC. Now this is the way how to install GCC, how to set the path, and how to use it for VS Code. Now if you like this video, please share with your friends, and if you got any value from this video, please put it in comment. If you have any new idea of installation, you can put it in comment so that it will come to me as well, others can see your comments. And please share the video, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe the video. Thank you very much.